So how do you write the title? Since this one is 3 to 5 and this is 4 to 8, we want to include in the subtitle, train book for kids ages 3 to 8. Because 3 to 8, if we have that in our subtitle, then the people know, oh, this book is both for 3 to 5 and 4 to 8. So the subtitle basically confirms these two keywords depending on who's going to search which one. So people are going to see and be like, oh, this applies to me. So if someone searches for kids 3 to 5, this subtitle is telling the customer, oh, this book applies to you. Same if someone searches the 4 to 8, Amazon's going to say, oh, this applies to you. Let's show it in front of this person. So we want to make sure we include that. Now, what I like to do is I like to open a WordPad document. You can open Word, you can open whatever you want to open up. And I just like thinking of some good titles. Now, if we did our competitor research, we know what's good and what's not good. But let's say I want something like amazing trains, or something, maybe something with a T. So it's like T-word trains, like tremendous trains. Terrible title, but tremendous trains. Just brainstorming now. What about the ultimate train book for kids ages 3 to 8? This way, I have train book for kids ages 3 to 8. Here it is here. Train book for kids ages 3 to 8. So the ultimate train book for kids ages 3 to 8, this is our keyword that we're going to be indexed for because it's our title. So that's our title. And then our subtitle, the whole point of the subtitle is to expand on the title and be more descriptive. So we need to tell them exactly what they're going to find inside the book. So the ultimate train book for kids ages 3 to 8. Over 100, and here we have the word locomotive. So I would say over 100 locomotives, maybe not locomotive, over 100 trains with colored images and simple annotations or something like that. This is not the most amazing subtitle, but this is just so you can understand the point. So the ultimate train book for kids ages 3 to 8, over 100 trains with colored images and simple annotations. This is basically saying, here's what it basically is. Here's exactly who it's for. We also have our main keyword that people are going to be searching for. And I explain a little bit more about what's inside. Another subtitle might be the history of trains from 1800s till present. I don't even know if we had trains in the 1800s. I don't know anything about history. I'm not that smart. I just know how to make books. But anyway, the history of trains from 1800s till present. And then in a little annotation bar, what are these called? I don't know what these brackets. In the brackets, we can have something like with 4-page images and fun facts. So maybe one of our USPs is fun facts, but that's a very small USP. It's not the main selling point of our book, but it's something small and extra that we have that our competitors might not have. Now, obviously, I didn't put a lot of effort into this, but with your book, try and come up with 3 to 5 different titles, and then try to come up with 3 to 5 different subtitles, because the more you're writing, the more ideas will come in your mind. And because you built your outline and you know what your book is going to look like, you need to make sure you can convey the value of that book through your title and subtitle. So make your title exciting, make your subtitle descriptive and clear to the customer what's actually inside your book, and then also make sure to include your USP as well as your target audience. Because when you're going to be paying for clicks when it comes to ads, you want only your target audience to click on your book. You don't want someone who is not looking for your book to click on your book, because you're going to have to pay for that. So it's extremely important that with your title, you make it super clear on who the book is for. And you must be honest. You're not going to try and sell a train book for kids ages 3 to 8, someone looking for a train book for 12-year-olds. Now, some people might buy it, yes, but most of them are looking for a book that is specifically for 12-year-olds. If you're selling a kid's book that are made for 5-year-olds, you can't try to sell it to people that are looking for a book for 12-year-olds. You're just going to get negative reviews. So make sure you're super clear, super honest in your title and subtitle in order to attract the correct clicks.